That is really, really good. I mean, honestly, really good. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a roast turkey, and this recipe has, well, it's not even this recipe. The whole roast turkey experience has gone through a big change from what I had planned. Last year at this time I was really excited. The whole family was going to get together, so I was going to make a big roast turkey. In fact, we talked about getting 2 turkeys. Yeah, then this year happened. Okay, I can deal with that. Alright, so then the plans changed, and my first thought was, hey, that's okay, since it's now just going to be the 2 of us, because as of right now, families are not getting together for Thanksgiving. Okay, no problem. And my thought was, well, this is really cool. I'll get a small turkey, and I will do like a Cajun turkey. And if you know me, I'm not really big into like just turkey breast. I want to cook the whole turkey, so I was like, small turkey, Cajun turkey, this will be a really fun experience because we can go, a little outside of our comfort zone. Okay, but that's good. So the smallest turkey that I could find was 13.83 pounds. Alright, that's the smallest turkey that I could find. That's no problem. And then I was all ready, and then I started thinking the day before yesterday, this is a problem. If you're planning on a turkey dinner, you can plan to have 1.5 to 2 pounds of turkey meat per person, okay? So even if I were to gorge myself on 3 pounds of turkey, and Mom maybe ate like, I don't know, a pound of turkey, that's saying a lot, that would still leave us with 9 pounds of turkey. 9 pounds of Cajun turkey. What does one do with 9 pounds of Cajun turkey? Because as I was looking things up, I was like, well, what can I do with the extra turkey? And I had to remember that it would be Cajun flavored. So all of these dishes that I was seeing were going to have a Cajun flavor base for the turkey. That was a problem. That was a big problem. So when you are planning your smaller get-together and you realize that you can't make a tiny little turkey that is, ambrosia flavored turkey might be really great, but what can you do with ambrosia flavored turkey? So I was like, nope, back to the drawing board. So what I did was something simple. I went with just a turkey brine, and it was a simple brine of just salt, pepper, rosemary, and bay leaves. Then I just brined it overnight, took it out of the water, and then I put it into my roasting pan so that it could come up to room temperature for about an hour. After an hour, I put it in the oven, which is at 350 degrees, and I cooked that for about 3 hours. Now, I want to stress, you want to think about how long you need to cook your turkey. My turkey is about 14 pounds, so that's about 3 hours. I think it's about 20 minutes per pound. Not a problem. I mean, there's no problem with that. But you need to really check on the size of your bird. So I'm going to put my turkey in at 350 degrees and then roast it. And then we will go from there. Alright, our turkey is out of the oven. I tried to do something which I couldn't do because I managed to overcook it. Yeah, it's still good, but I was going to do something clever about how moving it around and everything, but it was a whole long story. Let's give this a taste. That is good. Oh my gosh, that is good. Oh my gosh, I'm going to take a piece off with my finger. That is really, really good. This really has just the turkey taste. There is no extra. I can use this turkey now in everything from soup to everything. Like, I'll be able to use this turkey for many different things, and this is really good. I want to stress, this is really good. Well, how was your Thanksgiving? Let me know down in the comments. What are you planning on doing? Because this does come out before Thanksgiving. Let me know. This turkey is going to be so wonderful to be able to use in so many different ways. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make this. I hope I get to see you again next time you stop by.